to my nigga Pac. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, it's even getting hot.
Yeah.
Honestly, like when I was in 8th class, it was just 2 years ago. I had no idea about I didn't know how to speak in English. And recently I had debate competitions. I was so ready for the debate because मुझे सारी रट्टो लगी. But when I got there, I had no idea how to speak in the other guys. They were so confident. They were confident that I lose them when I won the debate, but still I had no confidence in speaking English. But right now, you all don't know except you, and sir knows that I'm not speaking the correct English. There are a lot of words that I'm pronouncing wrong. Sir knows that. Sir will be probably laughing inside.
I'm not laughing.
But sir knows that I'm not speaking the correct English. It's just your way of speaking the English. You can speak the wrong English like Nure Miraj, but with 100% of confidence.
So one saying, there is no any rule during speaking.
You can speak if you are not good at it. And here, a lot of students must have questions, and they're like, oh, there is a word. I should ask some questions, but they don't have confidence. They should at least try to ask a question. And he's continuously saying yes, and he has a question, but he's not even asking. Because of lack of confidence. How to build confidence? Definitely by being as social as we can, by communicating with I'm a girl and I'm scared of male gender. I'm not. I'm just giving an example. I'm scared to talk with him because I don't know him. But if I'm trying to talk with him, and he'll be like super sweet and he'll reply me back, and it will definitely improve my confidence. Then I try to talk with the other, then the other one, then the other, and it will definitely improve my confidence. It's not about just talking in a wrong way, you can talk in the right way. Like in school, mostly girls are scared to ask a question from their teachers or sometimes their principal. If they have some sort of private issues, they are scared to tell their teachers. And if you are having the confidence, if you are just trying to go to that office, it will improve your confidence. Because office is that very moto. But अंदर नहीं very moto. But पहले जात उधर मोटो. Confidence नहीं दिखता. बस women could do like. Women can work in fields too, if they let them do that. What if no one knows? What if I'm good at fields more, like growing crops? They don't know that. They are just telling you that you should just get education and get a job. Every single person should have a right to try every single thing. What if they are good at something else and they are trying for something else? What if I'm thinking that I'll be a good doctor, but what if I'm meant to be a good person who cries? सवाल के लिए